Accessing full text is one of our most requested services. In this video, we will cover how to get ebooks online, and in part 2, we will learn how to access full text articles. We start with a search for our topic or specific book. Type the keywords into the search box and click the magnifying glass or press Enter. To quickly identify only ebooks on this subject, select the Full Text Online checkbox under Filter Your Results on the left of the screen. Now expand the resource type options and select Book Chapters and Books. Click Apply Filters. Our results now show only ebooks. Below each title, we find View Online Access options. Click on this link. A new screen appears with full text availability. Click View Full Text. We may need to sign into our WCM-Q account using our full email address and password. Some users may also have further authentication steps. Now we have access to be able to download the book as PDF, download the book as EPUB if you have an e-reader, or we can view the book online chapter by chapter. Once we navigate back to search, we can click on the X to get back to our search results. Each ebook title may be presented in a different way depending on the publisher. For this publisher, we can click View and download full book to get an EPUB version. Or scroll through the contents to find links to PDFs or text. Once we are back at the results page, note that at the top of the page we have another method to sign in with our WCM-Q email. Click Reset Filters to clear the limits of online books or remove each filter individually. To limit our search to online articles, select the checkbox Full Text Online. Then expand the resource type list and select Articles. We may also want to include similar types such as conference proceedings and journals. Now click Apply Filters. Now our results only show articles. We can see there are a number of options in green to click on to get to full text. Click on Download PDF. This brings you to the publisher's site where you can download or read the full text. Going back to our results, we might see that the View Online Access options is the only link that appears for some articles. This will bring us to the full text availability through our different subscriptions. Sometimes there are a number listed. Each option provides coverage dates, such as available from January 1st, 2006, or available from 1995. Since our article is from 2010, any of these options will work for us. We can click on the first one to get the full text. We now have options for downloading the PDF, or we can scroll through the text to read an HTML version. Back to our results, we also see the option to view issue contents in BrowZine. Click here to go to our BrowZine interface that shows the article in context within the journal. This can be helpful when doing research, since there may be articles with a similar topic found in the issue. Another option we find to get full text is Read Article. Click on this to go to the publisher's or database site. We can also use other research tools to find articles, such as PubMed, Scopus, or Google Scholar. On the top menu bar, click Database Titles. Type PubMed into the search box and click on the magnifying glass or press Enter. Now click on View Online Access Options. We can now click on PubMed under Full Text Availability. Now type the search terms into the search box, such as obesity and Middle East. Click Search. Once we find an article we want, click on the title. On the right side, we see full text links. Click on Get it at WCM-Q. Now we are on the familiar search page, where we can quickly download PDF or view online access options. Similarly, Get it at WCM-Q links exist in our major research databases. You will also find the Get it at WCM-Q button in resources like Scopus and Google Scholar. It is important to sign onto the database via our WCM-Q library links in order to be directly connected with our collection. If there are any issues finding full text, contact us or submit an interlibrary loan. Go to our video on interlibrary loans to learn more about getting your ILLs.